operation agents are at the heart of LifeLock's operation. They're smart, they're on your side, and they're ready to go to bat for you.
I can only imagine what you...
Here we go, Putty. You've done it, Putty. It's touching. That's not it, you fools. Let's leave you two alone, shall we? Take a tape. Easy. There's no need for you to be seen. Next time. If that do see you again. There can be no next year. There you go, Cruella. Where is me to be next time?
There you are. Where are the puppies? They should have arrived by now.
There it is. There it goes. Cruella, doesn't she? Cruella, does she? There she does go.
They won't take it. They're mongrels. No spots. No spots at all. What horrible little white rats.
We use the house.
Spots don't come till later.
Remarkable, Mr. Potter. A perfect spell.
Put them in a bag. I'll take them with me now.
That's naughty.
They were just born.
I can see that. But Cruella's
Solitaire.
their mother for several weeks.
Bow swing.
Fine, put the little brutes on reserve for me. How much would you like?
That is incorrect.
Release them.
What you've done to our
Did you
drugs.
design some silly game that will drive the delinquent kiddies into frenzies of video delight?
As a matter of fact, I have.
But we're not sure we're going to sell them. And they don't look ridiculous. I can't possibly afford to keep them. I'll pay you twice what they're worth. Come now.
This is the correct symbol for the rumors.
£500.
This is the correct one.
£1,500. £2 per spot.
Look what you've done with 15 puppies.
It's irrelevant, and you just can't have any because they're not for sale.
It's getting very tiring of you, Rowan.
Roger.
It'll very tired of you. It'll be very tiring. It'll be very tired. It'll tire something how much. It'll lose something. Screams Cruella as she hurried along. Ready? Go! Look what you've written it. There you go again. There you go. That's all. This story, okay. Holy cricket! It was Harry Potter! I'm a Ryan Granger. This was... You could have gone to change the world. This was... It means... It's gonna be good. Have you known? You've got it. There you've got it. Nanny.
All your business needs, one single platform.
Look what it took. Look where it could have taken it. Look what it had taken. Ah, there you go. Hey. Look where it... That wraps up this part.
You as well.
You read that, have you?
Wait till you see what I've got for you in this bag.
And
Do you really know about identity theft?
that wraps up this part.
Shady
Have
characters
a
leaving
good
charges on
morning.
your credit card?
Just the same time.
Our personal
That's all.
information is
Thank
on
you.
all our devices, and it's stored